And widespread protests erupted across Kaching and other parts of Manipur after the Assam Rifles arrested at least 28 members of the Arambai Tengol on Friday, allegedly violating the governor's 7-day deadline for the surrender of illegal weapons. Intense public agitation ultimately led to the release of all detainees. According to reliable sources, a team of 46 Assam Rifles personnel conducted a pre-dawn raid at a camp at Kaching, Weri Palum, Punjab. Now, as news of the arrests spread, a large crowd gathered, forcing the security forces to alter their route. The situation escalated when protesters blocked an Assam Rifles vehicle and detained 5 personnel. In response to public pressure, these students were immediately released and handed over to the Kaching police, followed by the release of the remaining detainees. Meanwhile, the weapons seized by the Assam Rifles remain in the custody of the police.
Demonstrators across Manipur's Imphal Valley burnt tires in the middle of roads on Friday to protest the arrest of village volunteers in Kaching district. According to officials, the demonstrations were held in Imphal East, Imphal West, Thoubal and Kaching districts. Protesters also forced the closure of roadside shops and markets in several areas of Imphal.
जितने भी उठाकर लेकर गए हैं वो आतंकवादी नहीं हैं। वो लोग स्टेट फोर्स पर हमला नहीं करने के लिए जैसे आर्मी ट्रूप नहीं बनाया है। अपने गांव को डिफेंस करने के लिए, प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए हम गांव के बाहर प्रोटेक्टर बनकर रह रहे, क्योंकि स्टेट फोर्स काम नहीं करता। सेंट्रल फोर्स जितने भी 70 से 80 लाख डिफेंस फोर्स मणिपुर में भेज रहे हैं, कुछ भी काम नहीं कर रहा है, सिर्फ देखकर तमाशा देख रहे हैं। तो हम अपने खुद डिफेंस करना पड़ा, प्रोटेक्ट करना पड़ा, क्योंकि इसीलिए हम अपने हाथ में हथियार उठाना पड़ा।
Security personnel arrested more than 10 village volunteers in an early morning operation at Panjao, Palumda in Kaching district. The arrested volunteers were taken to a security forces camp at Fundrei in Thoubal district. The arrests came a day after Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla urged the people to voluntarily surrender looted and illegally held weapons within 7 days. The governor warned of strict action after the expiry of the deadline.